Open it, sir. Oh. It looks like you're going for a picnic.
I'm always going for a picnic.
So big.
For my luggage?
Yeah.
You said that? Oh, okay.
So we're in the other field. They will send us on our room. I don't know where is it. Where is our room? I guess it's raining.
No. It's automatic.
Okay, we'll open it. So we're on the other side. I will hold it though. It's raining. Ito yung view namin guys sa hotel. Oh, he will send us there. Look at the star here. True.
Oh, this way.
So this is our hotel way. So big. There are lots of room here in the Grand Hotel. They got the water dispenser, ice. This is the room. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, move those.
Thank you.
Oh, that's okay.
It's a nice room.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, this is our view. We're on the second floor only. I thought we were on the...
Did he take our other room card?
What?
Did he give you the other room card or did he take it?
No. This one.
There's only one.
Yeah, here.
Wasn't there supposed to be two?
I don't know.
Thought there was two in there. He must have taken the other one. Easy to look at here. It's like polar
Wait. Open it, sir. Oh.
I like it.
We're just on the near one. I thought we're on the other side.
Oh, we got river and mountain view. This is a good
The swimming pool is there. There.
view. Right down there.
Yeah. See?
Yep.
There. Just a little bit walk. And there is a family mart downstairs. I do the room check. So we got a nice big mirror here. So there is a poggy here. This is the aircon.
We got a bidet. First time. What is this?
What is that?
More toilet paper.
Oh, toilet paper. Bathtub, the one you wanted.
See,
It's only fit on you.
I've never seen this before though. What in the hell?
Soap. That's, yeah.
I don't know how to use
It's
that.
Japanese
Toilet.
Japanese toilet. It's electric. We can Google it later. They don't have free toiletries. I only the shampoo and the other toiletries. What is this? Oh, here, it's a hair dryer. No toiletries for me to bring home. Okay, that's enough. Oh my god. This is Aaron's bed. This is my bed. So we're separate to sleep together tonight.
This is what I've been dealing with all day.
Yeah. Oh, it's magic.
Best thing about this one.
And when you go outside, we have the best view here. Tcha! And there's the swimming pool there. We got the city view. There. There. Do your stuff. What a nice guy. I will just relax here, and the other one is busy arranging the stuff.
I just barely made it through. Bag just ripped.
And we're soaked with the water because of rain. And we missed to ride in a Ferris wheel because it's raining so hard. Oh wait, you've got lots of chips. It looks like you're going for a picnic.
I'm always going for a picnic.
So are you going for a picnic? You bring lots of foods. See? The Grand Hotel is so big. It's like,
It's so grand.
it's a really, really grand hotel. Really grand hotel. We're on the other side. They need to take us a van going in our hotel. The person is busy. We will do a picnic here inside the room. There, outside. And bring... Hey, they don't have the table outside. You can bring the table outside and this chair and relax during the day. Wow, so romantic! Wow, so romantic! The only aircon they have is this one. This
Complimentary.
is so
It's
basic.
probably on complimentary, so it's not drink fees.
What? You need to pay for it?
I have no idea.
I think it's free. They will put a price on it or a label that you need to pay for that.